Hello, this is Bullis Student Tutors, and we're coming with you today with how to cite databases in NoodleTools. This is a tricky skill, so hopefully this video will help. When you first start out, on your NoodleTools page, you will have access to any existing projects. You can go into those existing projects, but today we're going to make a new project. We're going to call our hypothetical project Egypt Project, just for the sake of the video. Next, you're going to want to pick your citation style. So we're going to use MLA, which is the typical style, but for any other classes, you might need to use APA or Chicago. Just be sure to ask your teacher. Next, you're going to want to pick your citation level. So advanced would most likely be helpful for a high school student, junior for middle school, and starter for lower school. We're going to pick advanced so we can see all the options. When you click submit, you'll come to your dashboard, but you want to go into sources before you start citing. So once you're in your sources, you're going to want to go over to the green button, create new citation, and it's going to give you a lot of options. Today we're going to be citing databases. So it's going to pull up a lot of options, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click original content in database if you're looking at an article. But if you're looking at a photo or an illustration, you could click that. But right now we're just going to focus on an article. And it's going to pull up a page with a lot of blank boxes for information. This is where it's important to go searching for your article. So we're going to use this article today from Encyclopedia Britannica. So we're going to add that to the name of the database, just like that. And then we're going to look for the publisher. This is almost always all the way at the bottom of the page, right there, Encyclopedia Britannica Inc. So we're going to go back to NoodleTools and add that into our box. Encyclopedia Britannica Inc. Just like that. And if anything's wrong, it'll have this little triangle, and it tells us that we don't need ink, just Encyclopedia Britannica. Next is the date of publication, which is most likely going to be located near the title and the authors. So we see that it was last updated September 18th, 2018. So just go ahead and manually add that to NoodleTools. The URL is pretty self-explanatory. Just copy and paste the URL of the database that you're using. And for the most recent date of access, if it was today, NoodleTools will add it. Otherwise, you can manually add it. So for a role, you can do author or editor, but author is most likely the easiest to find. So as you can see, this article has many different authors, but for the sake of the video, we're just going to cite one of them. Be sure to ask your teacher if they need you to use all of them. So we're going to type in the author's name, making sure to put each of its names in the right spots. And then for the title, it's pretty self-explanatory, just whatever the title of the article is, and you're done. So it's going to add that to your citation list, and then you can go back, add more citations, or be done with your project. Hopefully this video was helpful. Thanks so much for watching.